MS natural history is changing in recent years, and this is at least partially due to the use of highly active immunotherapeutic drugs. However, this wider use of highly active immunosuppressive treatments is also associated with a higher risk of infections. To face these infections, ECTRIMS and EAN have decided to go for a European consensus on vaccinations in patients with MS. The questions we would like to address are: which are the safety of vaccines in our patients with MS? Which is the effectiveness of vaccines according to the different treatments? And also, we want to address which are the specific vaccination strategies in children, in pregnant women, in elderly patients, and in international travelers. This is the working group where you can see experts from all over Europe, and we will have also external reviewers and advisors from patient representatives, also experts from the infectious disease field or from vaccination field. Our aim is to reach this formal consensus on vaccination and to be able to present the results during the next ECTRIMS 2021 meeting. Of course, these important recommendations will also be shown in a manuscript, which I am sure will change our daily practice.
We bring together the world's scientific professionals to catalyze and advance scientific knowledge, which is critical for improving our clinical practice and the care of our patients. This is your chance to catch up on the latest developments in the field of MS research. Join the debate and exchange thoughts with researchers and clinical practitioners.